Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? Delve deeper into QQQ with our latest analysis. Our initial report was published on Thursday, February 29, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more comprehensive review. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of crucial updates that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.68. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance over this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have experienced a significant gain of 10.65% since QQQ was first recommended as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.28% since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently situated within a narrow and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely further increase within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.57% change expected in the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 9.58% and 14.53%. When examining the 12-month trend, it forecasts a 34.27% change over the next year, with potential returns between 17.29% and 40.33%. This corresponds to a price range of $514.88 to $616.04 in a year's time. Our latest update on QQQ reveals that the QQQ ETF has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 29, 2024, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.86%, climbing from $435.27 to $439. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.17%, reaching a low of $435.02 and a high of $440.09. While the price has dropped in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume surged on the last trading day, indicating a positive technical signal, with a total of 10 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, approximately 41 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $18.22 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF stood at $440.59, while the lowest was $285.19. Presently, the price is 0.36% lower than the 52-week high, at $1.59 below $440.59, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Identified signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. A buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average, with support levels at $435.55 and $426.20. A recent buy signal from a pivot bottom on January 4, 2024, has resulted in a 10.78% increase. Volume and price are rising, signaling a favorable trend. However, there are some negative signals to consider, including a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 81 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has a support level at $428.55 based on accumulated volume, presenting a potential buying opportunity as it is likely to react positively when tested. With its stable movements and high liquidity, the ETF carries minimal risk. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of $5.07, equivalent to 1.17%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility of QQQ has been 0.8%. Before discussing potential trading levels for QQQ, let's review some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may indicate lower expectations for the company's future or an undervalued stock, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for QQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating a possible swift upward movement. Consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, QQQ's first support level is at $428.55. If this level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $421.97, reflecting a decrease of 3.88%. This ETF demonstrates minimal daily fluctuations, translating to lower risk. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom 38 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ shows positive signals and is in a strong upward trend. Following the advice, let the trend be your friend, we believe it is a wise choice at its current levels. We anticipate further growth in the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this ETF from a buy to a strong buy. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, March 1st, we predict QQQ will open lower by 96 cents at $438.04. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. Share your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Tell us your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and engage in successful trading. Have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.